guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning the bedroom, living room, and dining room. If you guys like these type of videos, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and hop into it. So I'm going to be starting in the bedroom. I like to change our sheets weekly, so I needed to do that. And then as you guys can see, I had some things on the bench and on the bed, so I just needed to go ahead and clear that off. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the sheets in the washer, and I had put on a load earlier, so I'm taking that load out of the washer and putting them into the dryer. These are actually Uriah's clothes, and I kind of like to shake them a little bit before I put them in the dryer. That just helps them not have as many wrinkles. And I always like to add Clorox to my sheets and my towels and stuff like that, just to make sure that they're staying really fresh, clean, and white. And while the sheets wash, I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the living room. I really wanted to get all the pillows off the couch and really clean the sofa and vacuum, you know, any crumbs that have fallen down in the cracks and all of that. So yeah, that was really my goal, just to do like the things that I don't get to do on an everyday basis. I really wanted to get the sofa nice and clean, especially since we're going into a new season. Now that I've gotten all the crumbs up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cushions back on the couch, and I'm kind of vacuuming over those as well. This little vacuum cleaner, it actually came with the little Shark robot vacuum, in case you guys are wondering. And yeah, I'm just going over the cushions and just going over any spots that I might have missed. So I also wanted to clean the sofa as well, because I had noticed a few spots. So I like to spray a little bit of stain remover on it, and I'm using this Bissell Spot Clean Pro Heat vacuum, and I really like it. I'll try to link some of the products and things that I'm using below, so if you guys are interested, that will be in the description box. So once I get it nice and clean, I just like to go over it with a microfiber towel, and it will be kind of damp, so you want to make sure that you're not sitting on it for like an hour or so. So I usually like to do this later in the day, so I don't have to worry about anybody, you know, wanting to sit on the sofa or anything. And in case you guys are wondering, the sofa and the pillows are from Z Gallerie. I always get a lot of questions about the sofa, and I will link it below. I think it's probably like the most affordable couch that Z Gallerie has, and it's so comfortable. And then the little throw blanket that I'm folding right now, I actually picked it up from TJ Maxx. also gonna do the exact same thing to this little cuddler chair. This is also from Z Gallery and I love, love, love it. It's really nice to just cuddle up on it. It fits 2 people perfectly. Now I'm just gonna go over the cushion with this Bissell spot cleaner. I've actually been working on styling this, so I'm not sure if it'll even stay this way, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with some spray weight cleaner. If you guys don't use that glass cleaner, stop this video right now. Stop, collaborate, and listen. Go to Amazon and order you like 5 of these because it is the best glass cleaner ever. Like, it is the best. So yeah, I love to use that to clean all of my glass and mirror with. Now I'm just adding the little coffee table books back to the table, and I picked these books up from Amazon. I love the Vogue one because it has Rihanna on it and it's just really beautiful on the coffee table. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean these little end tables as well. And vacuum this area. So it wasn't too bad because I really do try to vacuum every day just to keep the house looking somewhat clean and presentable. So yeah, I'm gonna move the sofa. I don't do this every time I vacuum, so I figured it was time to do that and get rid of any crumbs that were, you know, up under the sofa. So yeah, I'm just doing that. Notice a few spots on the rug, and I like to try to clean it with a cleaner like this probably like every 2 weeks anyways, just to keep it clean because it is white. So yeah, there was a spot over by the sofa, so I really had to drench it with the water to get it out, but it did get out. So if you guys can see, like right there, it looks a little bit darker. That's just because it's really wet and it's gonna have to dry. But now just moving the sofa back in place. All clean, I made my way back to the laundry room so I can get the sheets out the washer and throw them in the dryer. So I had been working on getting a few things together for the dining room. I definitely wanted to redo the table just to make it look a little bit more spring appropriate. So I picked up some things from TJ Maxx and also Home Goods, but as you guys can tell, I really hadn't decorated it. I just kind of placed it there to see what it would look like. So I wanted to go ahead and just kind of get this space in order just because I was tired of looking at it all junked up. all nice and clean, I'm back in the bedroom getting the bed all put together. I do want to add a little bit of color to the bed for the spring season, so I'm definitely going to shop my home and see what pillows I have that I can just bring to the bed to add a nice pop of color. I'm thinking about doing like a teal that kind of matches what's in the living room. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated and let you guys know if I decide to do that. I'll maybe post a picture on Instagram or something like that. Because it was much later in the day, there was no real reason to make the bed up all the way because we were obviously just about to get in it. Spraying some of this sleep mist from Bath & Body Works all over the sheets, and it makes your bed smell absolutely amazing. I love it. To finish up the room, I'm just going over the floors with the vacuum cleaner, and I'm not going to move my suitcase because we're going on a trip in a few days, so I've been packing and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye!